Hello everyone, welcome to Python programming tutorial from rcvacademy.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about comparison operators in Python. So Python has comparison operators like equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So comparison operators compare two values and return true if the values or if the comparison is true, and it will return false if the comparison is false. So for example, if you are using equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, any of the comparison operators provided by Python in your program, then it will return true or false, and the following logic of the program will be performed based on the value returned. So for example, to see the comparison operator in action, what I have done is I have defined two variables a and b and assigned the integer values 2 and 7 to it. And then in line 11, I'm printing I have a comparison operator equal to, and then just printing what will be the outcome of that comparison operator. So here you can see a is equal to b is what I'm comparing, and what this will do is, because both values are not equal, it's false. So this comparison operator will return false once you run this program. So if I run this program, and you can see the false has been printed. However, if I change the value of b and run the program again, it will return it to true. So the equal to comparison operator compares two values. If they are equal, it will return true. If they are not equal, it will return false. Now if I change this operator to not equal to, if I change it to not equal to, so at the moment both values are equal, so it should return me false, right? Because both values are equal, so this comparison operator is false. If I change it to 3 and run it again, the value return will be true. Similarly, if you use greater than, then because a is not greater than b, so it will return false in this case. Other comparison operator is less than. Here a is less than b, and if you run this program, the comparison will be true because a is 2 and b is 3. So 2 is less than 3, and it will return true in this case because a is less than b. Now greater than or equal to is another comparison operator wherein it compares two values. If a will be greater than or equal to, then that condition is included as well. So for example, if I say let it be 2 and 3 for now. So at the moment 2 is not greater than or equal to 3, so it will return false in this case. But if I change a to 3 in this program here and run it, then it will return true because a is equal to b. So in this case, if it is 3 or 4, in all the cases it will return true because 4 is greater than b, and if I change it to 3, 3 is equal to b. 3 is equal to 3, which is the value in b. Now less than or equal to performs exactly in similar way. So it compares two values. If both values are equal, it will print true, and if a is less than b, it will print true as well. So if I change a to 1, it will print true, and if I change a to greater than b, then it will return false. So these are some of the comparison operators in Python. Hope you liked the video. Please do share and subscribe for further Python tutorials. Thank you.